Hey everyone, Rico here and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a really good plugin that its main purpose is for mixing. I'm gonna show you the plugin on and off first of all so that you can see how it tastes like. So plugin off and on. Off and on again. You can hear subtle sound change. Obviously this plugin is in the master. There is a sort of change in the medium-high frequencies when I put this plugin on. Okay, so by the way, this track is from me and Batskill, the owner of Dionysian Mysteries, and this track is free download on my Bandcamp, obviously. So basically, what this plugin is doing in a nutshell, it's equalizing the internal sound of your headphones in order that you can make the most accurate mix when you're working on your music, so that you have a very flat frequency response. And when you are taking your mix to the club or to your friend place or to the car, it's going to translate very well. It's going to sound exactly the same as you mix it. Why is it important to have a flattened frequency response in your mix? To give you a fun example, it's like, if you don't see well and you're wearing a very good pair of glasses, then you are going to walk on the street and you are going to see everything. You're going to have no accident. The same thing it's with having a very good frequency response on your headphones or even on your studio monitor. You're going to have a very good mixer and you can see the whole spectrum of the sounds the way it is. Now, going back to the plugin, as you can see here, when I mute the kick and the snare and I put the plugin on and off, you're gonna see the difference much more. You can hear that in the medium-high frequency there is a sort of change. So now I'm going to open the plugin here and I'm going to show you what this plugin is doing. Okay, so first of all, I am using a Bayer Dynamic DT190 Pro, which is these headphones right here. And the gray line, the thin gray line, it's actually the measurement of my headphones frequency response. As you can see, in the medium-high frequencies, it's kind of alright. But then again, when I go to the medium frequency, there is a very big lack of frequencies. And when I go to the high frequencies, there is a big spike. So when I apply the plugin, when I put it on, there is a correction. And as you can see, the correction functions as a mirror. By doing the mirror, it's like it's flattening the curve. That's why this is the correct mix. This is the flattened response. This is the flattened frequency response of the mix. That's not the correct one. And my headphones are quite good, like they are made for mixing. But if you are taking, for example, let's take, I've seen the other day, Beats by Dr. Dre. I think that they have a lot of bass. When I put it on, there is a big difference. Obviously, the beat by Dr. Dre are made for be bass friendly because, for hip hop music. But if I put the iPhone AirPods, look at this. Obviously, there's so much bass because I'm using these headphones. If I use the Apple AirPods 2, I'm going to have the correct frequency response. So it's extremely important that you put your headphones on. And, you can check on the website if your headphones that you have correspond to the headphone list of the website, obviously. So you can flatten any mix of any headphones. Then again, you can work on your track using your headphones. Excuse me. And you can have a very, the most accurate frequency response. So that when you mix your track and you give it to the mastering guy is going to say, hey, your mix is correct. You are really good, or you're using Morphit on the master. And this plugin is actually working exactly like Sonar work for Studio Edition. Well, Headphone Edition or Studio Edition. It's exactly the same. The cool things about this plugin, the first things of this plugin that is really, really cool is that you can change the color, and I love these things. But probably the best thing is the price, which is €39, which is quite cheap for such a very good plugin. And but you can download the demo version of this plugin, and the super duper cool things about the demo is that it works unlimited time. So basically, you can put it on your master, you choose your headphones, and you're good to go. This plugin doesn't have an expiration date. It doesn't have any noise after 10 minutes. It just is going to work forever like this. The only thing is that when you are trying to load a new instance of the plugin to a new track, you just have to go and find your headphones because it doesn't save the preset of your headphones. But I mean, come on, it's okay. I guess it's a really clever marketing idea from Tone Boosters to do like this, because when you download the demo, you are downloading all the other plugins of Tone Boosters, and you get to know the company at the same time. So it's a really good marketing move. And yeah, so that's all about it basically. So with this plugin, you can achieve a professional flattened frequency response of your mix, which means you're going to mix very well from now on without having to go to a studio to correct your mix. So yeah, this is everything for today. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please put a like and subscribe so that you can help me to make more videos like this. And thanks for everything, and see you on the next one.